Imagine this. You've got 100 reels or shorts ready to go in just 10 minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's totally doable. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to make it happen using the power of AI tools like ChatGPT and the creativity of Canva. With this method, you can save hours of hard work while still creating attention-grabbing short videos. Alright, let's start with creating content ideas. The first step is crafting the perfect ChatGPT prompt because the quality of your results depend entirely on how good your input is. Take a moment to draft your prompt in a Word document or any Notes app. Here's the prompt that I prepared. So here I am asking ChatGPT to create a table for 100 content ideas for a channel that posts interesting facts about the world. I need title of up to 15 characters and details of up to 35 characters. I am also telling ChatGPT that the content ideas can cover a wide range of topics like geography, culture, history, animals, or science. You can modify this prompt based on your specific needs, whether it's motivational quotes, trending topics, or anything else. Once you're happy with your prompt, copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT window. And ChatGPT will generate over 100 ideas for your short videos, all neatly organized into a table. Make sure to save this list as an Excel file so you can easily access it whenever you need fresh content ideas. For now, I'm keeping this window open so we can come back later and use this data to create amazing reels. Now that we've got our content ideas, let's move on to designing an eye-catching template for your reels or shorts. Canva is your best friend for this step. Start by exploring the ready-made templates in Canva. These are great for inspiration and can save you time. Pick a template that fits your vibe, even if you plan to make changes later. Next, tweak the design to make it your own. Start by removing the background image and replacing it with something more relevant to your content. Experiment with keywords to find the perfect image that matches your style. Once the background is set, clean up the design. Remove any extra text or graphics you don't need. I usually get rid of unnecessary elements to keep the design clean and focused. Now it's time to add text to your template. Add a heading. Use a bold font for your title, adjust the font size, and position it so it grabs attention right away. Add a second text box. This will be for the details. Again, adjust the font type, size, and positioning to ensure it complements the heading. Finally, lock the positions of these text boxes so they stay in place. Once that's done, you're ready to start adding your content to the design. With this template, I'll have a polished look that's perfect for my videos. Stay tuned for the final step where we'll bring everything together. Now comes the most exciting part. Bulk creating 100 reels or shorts in just 1 minute. Here's how you do it. Open Canva and look for the bulk create option in the app. Once you find it, select it. Canva will prompt you to upload your data file or paste the data directly into the table. For speed, I'm just going to copy and paste the entire data from the data we created earlier with ChatGPT. Control-C, Control-V, and there it is, all content ideas neatly added. Here's a surprise. ChatGPT didn't just give us 100 ideas, it gave us 117. That's 17 bonus ideas to supercharge your content plan. Now, we need to connect the data to our design. Right-click on the text boxes in your template and link the title column to the heading text and the details column to the smaller text box. Once everything is connected, you'll see an option to generate all designs. But wait, don't click it just yet. Before generating, make sure your template is perfect. I'm making a few adjustments. Adjusting the length. I want my reels to be 12 seconds long, so I'm extending the timing. Adding text animations. To make the design more dynamic, I'm applying animation effects to both the heading and the details text. Once you're happy with your template, go ahead and click Generate. Canva will create all 117 designs in just one click. Finally, when it's time to download, make sure to download them as separate files so you can easily use each reel or short individually. And there you have it, your 100+ video posts ready to upload and impress your audience. And that's it. You've just bulk created 100+ reels or shorts in no time at all. With ChatGPT providing fresh content ideas and Canva's bulk creation tools, You can now save hours of work and still deliver high-quality, engaging reels or shorts to your audience. The best part? You can easily replicate this process whenever you need fresh content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who could use a little help in speeding up their content creation process. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.